Hello there everyone, and welcome to our Beauty of the Season full reveal video. So this is our holiday release and it is a big one. So first up we have the Positive Vibe stamp set. This is a 6x8. We have a beautiful outline image on here as well as layers that fit within it to create a beautiful floral stem. As well as that, we have lots of different sentiments in here with lots of positive vibes. So we do have the layering guide on the back of the stamp set and also some inspiration inside. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, so that is going to cut that beautiful floral stem. This will work for all different occasions and we can't wait to see how you use it. Next up we have the beautiful kind reminders. So in this one we have 3 large floral stamps as well as some really great sentiments in here that were all little kind reminders to add to your handmade projects. Inside we have lots of inspiration using this beautiful stamp set, which is a 6x8. We do have the matching die set available as well, which is going to cut out those 3 large floral clusters. We also have the simple colouring stencil. So this is going to enable you to colour those beautiful outline flowers really quickly and easily using some ink blending techniques. Next up we have another 6x8 and this is Grape Leaves. So in here we have 3 various leaves with an outline and a solid layer as well as the little vines as well, so you can add them separately if you wish. Really great way to add different textures and looks to these images. We also have the matching die set available, so that's going to cut the solid image as well as the outline with the little veins on the leaves. To also coordinate with this, we have the matching mask stencil. So you're going to be able to mask and stencil all of those beautiful grape leaves that you have on the stamp set really quickly and easily. Next up we have the Autumn Bounty stamp set. So in here we have a large pumpkin image with some flowers, a leafy frame, as well as tons and tons of sentiments in this one. Inside you do get lots of inspiration using the stamp set, which is a 6x8. As well as that, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out those 2 large images as well as the center of the frame as well. This is a really great one to use and I'm sure you'll find many ways to use it. Next up we have the Seasons Tweetings. Now this is a really cute 6x8 stamp set. So we have 2 birds in here, we have a branch, some berries, a little banner in there too, as well as sentiments. On the back we do have the layering guide for the bird images and lots of inspiration in the trifold as well. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out all of those little images that we do have on the stamp set. As well as that, we have the mask stencil too, and this is going to enable you to mask and stencil those really cute birds. Next up we have Holiday Tag Sentiments. So this is a 6x8 stamp set and you can see that we have various different sentiments on here, large and small, to work with tags or any holiday card that you will be sending. There are also a couple of little images in there as well to add to the sentiments, just to shush them up a little bit. We do have the holiday tag die set available too, which coordinates with the stamp set. You're going to get a tag on there and some little pieces to die cut those little images, as well as some borders too. Next up we have Holiday Flower. So this is a 4x6 stamp set, so we have a beautiful Poinsettia cluster at the bottom, as well as some really great sentiments to add to your holiday cards and projects. Inside we do have lots of inspiration using the stamp set. Also, we have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out that beautiful floral cluster that we have there on the stem set. Next up we have Festive Floral Frame. So again, this is a 4x6 stamp set. In here we have a frame with some beautiful floral clusters on either corner. And you can see that we do have inspiration on the inside of this little trifold as well. This is a great one to add to your holiday projects, just to add a beautiful frame, and you could use those florals separately if you wished. Next up we have Warm Blessings. Now this is a 4x6 stamp set, so with this one it has lots of beautiful script style sentiments, as well as a little holly and berries in it there as well. Inside we do have inspiration on how to use it, but I'm sure you'll be able to add these to all of your different holiday projects. Next up we have Merry Reindeer. So in here we have a very cute reindeer holding a little scroll, as well as sentiments that will fit within that little scroll as well. Inside we have inspiration, and this one would work well for many different Christmas cards that you are going to be sending, and maybe even some tags or little holiday toppers for treats that you do create. Next up we have Poinsettia 3D die set. So in here we have a number of dies that cut and also emboss into them. So the cut lines are around the outside edges, and then you have those embossed lines that are going to give you a really pretty petal to your flower. We have the layering guide at the bottom of the die set, so you can see just how easily these flowers come together. Next up is another die set. This is a fancy peace die. So in here we have the word peace with a beautiful kind of scroll-like finish to that P. This is a great one to add to all of your holiday projects, and it will add a beautiful touch of class. Next up we have something a little bit different. So this is beautiful Bergenia 3D embossing folder. So this is going to be able to pop your little paper in here and emboss some beautiful floral images in a 3D style. So it's going to look as though these images are popping off your page. So you can either use it the embossed way or also the debossed. Both ways are very, very pretty. Next up we have the Flowers and Leaves 3D embossing folder. Same as before, you're going to be able to deboss and emboss these beautiful floral images into a piece of cardstock. I just love the way that these look, and they can add so much texture and dimension to your handmade projects. Last but by no means least is the Mega Hello Debossing Embossing folder. So this one is going to deboss into your cardstock. You wouldn't be able to use it the other way around because it is a word and it would be mirrored. So it's going to give you a really beautiful look with this image kind of just like a letterpress looked into your card project. So that is everything in our Beauty of the Season release. We really do hope you've spotted something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.